kind of, it's like starting if you got a project car, or if you got like an old car you're working on, like you want to start the engine every like couple months or something just to keep it moving. But this is kind of the first real fucking shoulder lift for I think the last maybe 6 months or so. And I tell you what, it fucking feels like it. Oof. Oh my god. Oh, well, there's not too many shoulder dedicated poses. They kind of just add to everything. Side chest fucking included. Yeesh. But all done now.